Pro Trader Mike, everybody. It's Thursday, February 18th. Welcome to the jungle, the day trading room in the stock market.
Welcome to the jungle.
Got my massager.
We got everything you want. We dominate. We are the people that can find whatever you may need.
Welcome to the jungle. It's so stressing. Every trader needs to get one of these massages right here. It goes on your neck. Amazing. Sitting here, you get a little neck cringe. Everybody needs that. We were done for the day today in the first trade, guys. We nailed Sun Edison through 150. It went right through 64. A couple people kept on trading after that and messed up their whole day. Lessons learned. It's now 11:30. We've done 6 trades in Sun. ZFGN, UVXY.
With his head hung low, couldn't get a ticket.
That's what I'm talking about. So good job, everybody. We've got a couple people haven't hit trades yet. We've got a couple people that hit dailies, couple people doubled. Everyone else paper trading made money and one person lost. We did really well with the demos this morning. I was proud of everyone. Let me show you. We have about 40 rookie traders on the demo right now. I'll go through them right here. They're labeled number 1 down to 40. Every one, we had 35 people that were up this morning on the first trade. They couldn't stop. It wasn't enough for them. He lost his profit. He stopped, did very good. Number 2. Number 3 was up $200 and $300. He lost it all. He stopped. He did very good. Made $305 on one trade. This guy was up $300. Now he's down $300. This guy, number 7, was up $450. Now he's down $670. He did real good. He stopped. $352. That's $6,000 a month. He stopped. That's $6,000 a month. That's making more than 100% on your money. He did good. He stopped. Did good. Did good. He didn't stop. $935 loss. He was up. He lost. He was up. Turned into a loss. He was up. Turned into a loss. He quit. Very good. He did good, did good, did good, and did good. Everybody that did the losses were up. Everybody. We had this morning across the board. Every single one of these accounts down to the bottom was profitable. They couldn't stop trading and then they lost. So this would thank you for taking the poll. This was the first move of the day. Right here on Sun Edison. You could see right here the stock made a move from $1.42 to $1.64. Hold on, that's the second move. Here's the first one right here. We bought it right here. Okay, and we sold it up into 164. Okay. Trying to get that song back. Can't find it. Don't like that song. It's a good one, but I don't like it. This is a good song. Hey, mister, won't you tell me? So right there, we nailed that first trade into 164. Then we rebought it back here, and now we sold it up again here, and we're in it again. We're going to make it ride back to 155. That's what we got going on with Sun Edison. I've done a tremendous amount of research. I'm not even going to dare go through it, but we did pretty nice in Sun Edison. MOJO swing trading has been phenomenal. Let me show you the swing trade newsletter. Here's the newsletter that went out Sunday night. Even though it was a holiday, we didn't trade till Tuesday. So here's the newsletter that went out to swing trade subscribers on February 15th. The first pick was Mankind at 98 cents. Okay. The next pick, Vivis at $1.02. Xenoport at $4. General Employment at $4. And 777 Energy at 30 cents. Here, that was the newsletter, and here's the picks. 7 Energy is sold yesterday. It was sold at 39 cents and 38 cents. And now the position is closed. Okay, so this one will be closed. Position 3/4. And then we have Vivis is 105 even. Mankind even. Twitter's going to get called away. And everything else is still the same. So a quick update on the swing for you right there. Couple things about SunEdison. Go to my Twitter. I've done my research, folks. Let me show you. SunEdison, David Einhorn owns 5.9% of the company. His last several buys, if you look at this article right here, if you scroll down, he owns the stock at $16. He's not a seller. He just got put on the board of directors. He established his position in the quarter of 2013 and 14 in the entry prices of $15 with a 3% stake. Now he owns 6% of the company, and he was buying it up in the $20 range. Now it's at $1.60. Okay, SunEdison is to sell part of their plants in Malaysia, they're cleaning up shop. Okay, they're urging Hawaii regulators to undo the contract termination, which will get done. This is their flow in the presence of global markets right here. What Sun has done in the past is they've taken their megawatt power and they've taken that power, which they generate, and they've turned it and paid off debt. So anything that comes up with the company, they've got a lot of power. SunEdison, good news, takes focus on actions right here. This is their diversified portfolio. This is really good. Article right here, has Sun bottomed, and people are waiting on the earnings, and everything is priced in. The bottom line, there's a lot of uncertainty. It says right here, it's safe to say the company is far from over. You better believe it. Okay, has a pending acquisition of VSLR. VSLR is right here. VSLR is $6 per share. Vivint Solar, acquisition of that company. So there you have $6 stock, and then you have SunEdison at $1.50. David Einhorn come out and buy 30 million shares down here at $1.50, which would be the smart thing to do and increase the stake in the company. That's what I would do. So that's nice. No, I reject the offer. So I like that. And what happened is you could read right here in these paragraphs. I'll read it to you. Note SunEdison's debt went higher. Right here, one of the reasons SunEdison quickly became unattractive was because of the outstanding debt was $11.7 billion, up 84% from a year ago. Note that while SunEdison's debt went higher, its debt-to-equity ratio declined. Back in 2013, the debt-to-equity ratio was 1,048%. By 2015, it went down to 259%. The company is also trying to improve its balance sheet. In December, it announced it would extinguish $336 million of exchangeable notes due in 2020 by supplying power. Okay, Of course, this won't be enough to make Sun stock appealing again, but what if several hedge funds are loading up on the company right now, like me? Okay, according to the report, Visium Management bought 1.3 million shares of Soon in the third quarter. Sandgrove Capital bought 272,000 shares. That's how many shares I have. Adage Capital had 9.2 million for a total of 17 million. The hedge fund could really change Sun Edison's outlook. Perhaps David Einhorn has a 6.8% stake in the company, is pushing to get the board set. Last month, Sun Edison finally agreed. The company has appointed Claire Gogol, former partner of Greenlight Capital, as an independent director. They just brought him in last month. They're not going to say, oh, you're on the board of directors this month. Next month, you're off the board of directors. Give me a break. Okay. Last month, Sun Edison, changes are already happening. Einhorn got involved. Sun Edison announced that the company will not issue any new equity without the supermajority vote of the board of directors. This is great for Sun Edison shareholders because the agreement could limit the potential of dilution of the company shares. They're going to use their power to pay for the shares. Yesterday, the stock closed at $1.65. And today, after that, this guy right here, I mean, some of the analysts are nice and they've, lowered the estimates from $20 to 10 or whatever. This guy at UBS cuts the target to 75 cents. He's going to be fired. He's got no clue. This is him. He's going to go try to move this rock. Yes, I'm a donkey. Sun Edison target of 75 cents. Let me go move that rock. What a jackass. You go look at Sun Edison's news right here. And you got real guys, real analysts that are on it right here. Let me show you. Sun Edison restructuring $437 million in charges. You better believe it. Okay. Sun Edison. Let's go down here. There's none of them. They haven't come out yet. They'll come out and they're going to reissue target objectives like Twitter did. If you look at Twitter right here, Twitter last week was, the death of Wall Street. Now they can't get enough of it. Let's go to older headlines. You could see right here. Let's see, one more older. Here we go. Whatever, I'll tell you what it was. They raised the target. The stock was $14.50, and they lowered the target from $30 to $24 a share. Some people did 20, some people did 17. That's what's going to happen with Sun. We own, in the swing trade portfolio, we own Twitter at $14.50. Twitter is $14.50 is the cost. We sold the $15 covered call for 80 cents at $17.56. Same exact thing. So that's what's going on. I've done the research. We're well positioned. We did great in the other swing picks. And that's what we have going on. So thank you, everybody, so much for listening to my reports and my recaps. I'm going to show you something else I'm building right here. This is my terminal. This is right here my journal of all my trades that I put in. They're going to get uploaded in real time as I put them in on a spreadsheet. And then my overall evaluation. 402 trades inputted, 371 winners, 9 losers. I went on a 97 trade win streak. I had 19 break evens. My win rate was 97%. I gained 750% on the portfolio. My average gain was 1.88. My largest was 14. My largest scalp was $1, and my average scalp was 12 cents. My performance table is right here. So this is my equity curve. The portfolio started here, went up here, and this is just on my mini Heinz trade play. And I have my other trade plays, like my Heinz. Hold on. My Heinz trade play. This is what I've made on my Heinz, very consistent. These are the stocks I've traded. Let me show you right here. So if we go into equity curve performance tables, I can go by the month of Monday, what I've done on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. I can decide winner, break even, what year it was. There's so much I'm building right here in this journal and our daily track record, performance log, and so forth. Really, really nice. Building it with my definitions of what each one is, how long they take. It's an Edgewonk journal. They built this for me. So it's really cool. I'm working on that, working on a couple of other things. And that's pretty much it. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. Thank you so much for the video and listening today. See you tomorrow. Peace.